This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. We've determined the width and the length of the bag dimensions that we'll be making for our baby doll sleeping bag, so we're ready to cut. What I plan to do is to cut this where the fold, we can use the fold of the fabric here. So I'll just fold it over and measure 14 inches across this way, 21 this way. Let's see. 14. Okay, and then 21. So I'll find a line here. The gingham makes that easy. And cut across to my 14-inch measurement. Then I'll cut the same out of the lining fabric, the polka dotted fabric that I'll be using, as well as the white quilted fabric that will be the inside of the sleeping bag to give it the real sleeping bag feel. And that's all that we need to do at this point, except for cut the other fabrics to the same size as this one.